Resetting the keyboard dictionary on iPhone 15 can fix autocorrect issues or clear custom words you no longer need. In this video, we'll show you how to wipe your iPhone 15's keyboard dictionary clean. This can be helpful if you're experiencing odd autocorrect issues or simply want a fresh start. So let's dive in. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to bring up the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Now, inside settings, we need to scroll down a bit. Find General and give it a tap. Next, keep scrolling until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that. On the succeeding window, scroll down and tap on Reset. A menu will pop up with various reset options. Find the option to reset keyboard dictionary and tap on it. If you're sure you want to proceed, enter your iPhone's passcode when prompted. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm resetting the dictionary. Tap Reset Dictionary to finalize the process. The phone will then erase all the custom words you've added to your keyboard over time and reset the dictionary back to factory settings. Your iPhone 15's keyboard dictionary is now clean and fresh. If the problem persists after resetting the keyboard dictionary, try to restart your phone to clear out minor system errors that might have caused the iOS keyboard to glitch or malfunction. And if restarting doesn't help, then you may have to consider restoring the default settings on your iPhone. This will erase all recent custom settings and restore the default values and options. And that's all there is to this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.